Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have steamed fish.
No, steamed fish for you. Swim around for me. Yeah, swim around for me. Fish for you.
Okay. And before we dig in and devour this delicious meal, because I am hungry.
You heard what she said, she's hungry, so she better eat off this. Guys, she don't eat this off, she gonna piss me off on camera. And you don't want me to get pissed off on camera, so she better eat it all day. She killing, I'm telling her everything. Oh, she, make sure you cook my food. Make sure the food is ready. Make sure the food is ready, make sure you name it. Alright, go on talk. I tell the people that from the get-go, come.
Anyway, family, go ahead and check out my outfit of the day.
Chocolate milk. I like 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 chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you like First Lady outfit of the day because I love it. Stop. I love it. You like it. Yes. Alright. Now family, this is our swim around from the Key West. Our stash is going down low, so we gotta go back out there again. So this is schoolmasters, and First Lady said she wanted, so I gotta, whatever First Lady said, she gotta get. If I could pick up this fish and show you. I can't. I don't want it to break.
And he has two fish.
I got two fish.
So I'm gonna slide my fish down because you know we gotta do the presentation for Uno on the camera.
Yep, slide it down. You know, give it a thumbnail. Show me my thumbnail. Them.
I pick it up, but do this.
That's it. Ready?
Oh, do this, honey. Do this.
Ready? There we go.
Listen, family.
Damn, family. But listen now.
Yum.
You give me mad rice, yo.
I did?
You, your family? When I make this swim around, I don't get no rice with it. Just want to eat the fish, but first they give me rice today. Huh? I want you to help me today. You know? You know what I'm saying? Family. Damn. How'd that taste?
Delicious. All day, family. I've been waiting for this food. All day. I couldn't wait to leave work.
No, so I can't eat it without the podcast.
That's what I was saying.
We're back. We have to go change up. You know what I'm saying? I can't work with that.
We can't dig into the fish and get the... You see? It's how easy it is.
Okay.
Tell them what you got, my baby.
We got right here. I already told them we got the schoolmasters, you know. Then I got in here carrots. I made a video of it already. So if you want more, I know you go ask, so where's the recipe? Crackers. Pumpkin. First I love the pumpkin. The cup noodle, the pumpkin kind. That's what give out the flavor. Sweet pepper, red pepper, green pepper, and scotch bonnet.
You know, so heck, we had scotch bonnet in the freezer, you know?
I know, but I just buy more because they can't sell.
The ones in the freezer, those are hot.
I didn't put that much in here because I know it's only too pepper and I want you to enjoy it.
Sure, you know I love pepper. Are you afraid of pepper? No.
I'm straight now, Mr. Aka. All day you tell me say you're hungry, y'all.
I don't know.
Family, I want to give you a piece, but I don't want the bone catch you because a lot of people don't know how to eat the fish with the bone. So, can't say I didn't give you a piece. First thing. Wow. They can't see. They can't see. Alright, yeah, there we go.
Me not give them none.
Yeah, man, because I gotta get them piece because I know they don't like fish with the bone, but
I think I shared my food with you guys like in 2 videos. That's enough. You get enough.
Yeah. That too. And they know. What the hell are you looking at? First they're afraid when I eat fish. They know you don't eat a lot. And when you share it. A little grace to start the race on my rice, you know. Grace, we still here. 2021, you know, we still here. Holla at me, son.
Grace acting up.
Yeah, Grace tripping, man.
We don't want no sponsors again.
Exactly.
We're mad.
I'm gonna go JCS. Holla at me, Grace. This fish is good, right? Family. You know when the fish is fresh, when you wash it with vinegar like 3 times and the eyes them still look like they got contacts. That's a fresh fish.
I could barely talk.
Yeah. When we catch our fish, we automatically throw it on the ice.
Yes,
Right
we
away.
do.
Right away on ice. So we love snappers. We love tilapia too, but snapper is our go-to fish. And the tilapia down here, they're invasive. So you can catch as much of them as you want.
That is true.
They're invasive down here in Florida. There's a lot of invasive stuff in Florida. Thank gosh.
Like iguana.
Yeah.
We need iguana too.
The tilapia them, catch as much as you want. So, but we love our snapper. Snapper dapper.
Full now.
You full already? Better yam that. Well, you're full here.
I just started.
She gonna eat it.
I was at work. Because you guys know, I fast. So, what I do intermittent fasting now. I eat between 12 and 8. That's it.
Yeah?
But even when I'm eating at work, I'm eating fruits. And all day I'm drinking beer water.
Yeah.
That's it.
When you come here, you have a good
Come home, have my good up meal. And then that's it. No more soda.
Well, I drink it for her.
I never drink a lot of juice. But I do like ginger ale and Coca-Cola. No more of that.
Save for me.
I want to detox my body.
This is good.
So good. If you guys only know how this Excelsior cracker tastes
Yep.
in the gravy.
Family, I tell you before, we drive too far to go fillet fish. No fillet.
No filet mignon.
Good. Yo, relax. Seriously, when I eat fish, don't talk. Nice, man. Good one. We're preparing them fish. Because I chop too much and then. So I gotta take my time. Come on. Come on.
Let's be careful.
Nice. Look at this.
Yeah.
Nice fish
Nice.
Nice swimmers. Soft. Here you go, give my head.
What? Give you a what? What kind of
First
something?
they just give him my head.
You
Not like that. Cut it out.
What do you say?
Cut it out.
You love
Not
them.
like that.
You love them freaky talk then.
Gotta dress up my talk. This is good. How y'all like your fish? Head on, headless. Fillet. I love my fish well whole. No? Yeah. That's how we drink it there. Love my fish well whole. I don't play around. With too much money and too much for bait to go catch fish to go fillet. Nah, bro.
No, bro? No, no bueno?
No bueno. If you want a piece of my tail.
I'm trying to work with it when I got it in front of my face.
When you get done. Yeah.
Oh, I cannot. A few hours.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Only know.
Richie made this for my mother. It was so good.
While I was making it, Mom sent me a video while I'm making the fish. A guy on a sea-doo on a fishing, and she said, "My son-in-law love fish. He need to get one of those." Yeah, she sent me the video while I was cooking this thing. Yeah.
Wow. And you was looking at that.
I started looking at it, and she said, "Oh, I need to get one for the trophy." I said, "No, she's gonna sit right on my lap because only one cheater." She said,
Whoa!
"Careful."
I'm gonna be while we fishing.
What's it?
Okay.
While I'm cooking, she's saying things like, "Mommy knows."
Look at this.
Cooking through my room. Mommy, you read my mind. But yeah, we love fish. Fishing, family, you gotta have patience, yo.
When you fishing.
Patient. I ate freshwater fish one time in my life.
You don't like it?
You ever go to my catch a bass?
Oh yeah. No, let me just yum fish.
Caught a big bass. That was the first time I ate freshwater fish. I love my salt water though. You know what I mean?
The best part is when you catch the fish and you're winding it up and you're like, I wonder which one it is. I wonder what it is, because you don't know yet.
Yeah.
And the worst part is you wind up the fish and halfway as it's coming up, it drop off.
A lot of time I wind up fish and the barracuda catch it.
Oh yeah.
Or a shark.
That has happened also.
Cut the fish in half.
Like,
You know?
You know you need some heavy metal to catch a shark.
Yeah. You know what's a barracuda?
Can people eat those?
Yeah, people eat them. Barracuda. The fishing guys in Jamaica love it. When they catch it, they catch gold. That's up here. We don't really fancy that. Hello. But they're good though, it's very fleshy.
They're big too. They grow like big.
Big, and they got some sharp teeth. Like a razor. So, but the difference in Jamaica fishing and in America fishing, you gotta know your fish.
Yeah. In Jamaica, whatever you catch, that's what you eat.
Yep.
No matter what size.
That's what size. Up here, you go to jail. So, when me and First Lady go fishing, we gotta make sure we on point.
And we measure them and everything.
Gotta do that. Measure. But we know the fish what we're looking for, so, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Right. Right?
Of course, I see I'm in heaven. You know somebody greedy? I never eat no rice.
I know you didn't. I still got it, never eat it. I know you didn't know no rice. I told you that. I told you don't need no rice. Let's do my run around. Let's do my run rice. So what? We're in. This guy's going in.
Did you guys enjoy our 3 different stories in yesterday's video? Honey, am I napkin? I hope so. Thank you, baby.
There go the pumpkin. This what brings it out. Yeah.
Trust me, the pumpkin is the best part. Of course, the fish and everything else. You know what I mean. I'm gonna tell you why. I hate when my fork is dirty.
And touching.
Yeah. I don't like my fork being dirty. Like where I'm holding it, it really drives me crazy. So.
Yep.
Anyway. Because the pumpkin absorbs the whole gravy.
Yep.
And it's still firm, and when you bite into it, it just bursts with flavor. Like you could.
How do you do your steamed fish?
And pumpkin is good for you too.
Yeah. But the thing with the pumpkin now, family, if you do try the pumpkin in here, put the pumpkin to the last.
Yeah.
Cause it cooks fast.
Yes. And the crackers.
Cracker too. Again, I have a video if you want to see. Go check it out. If you're new to the family, go check it out.
Yeah. And if you're new and you're watching, subscribe.
Subscribe. Stop hiding. And then come on and say, come on now, don't do that. And if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. You know? I mean, I appreciate all of y'all. Good?
Thank you, family. I'm good, baby love. Thank you, family, for all the recipes that you've sent me to do in the air fryer.
Yes.
I'm gonna tackle them. Okay? Mama Shay, Miss Gina. I'm gonna tackle them. Okay? What happened, honey?
Good. Come on. Got stuck in my gum. I'm good, son. We had an accident before off camera, so she worried. Her lady give me CPR.
I love. Oh yeah. We love cimarron.
Yeah.
Okay, I would eat it, as you guys can see, steamed, fried, curry, whatever. But every time we eat it, no matter how good it is, in my back of my mind, I'm like, is he okay? Is he okay?
Yep. You say you're gonna try the recipes?
Yeah. I'm trying the recipe. I have one in mind that I'm gonna make.
Yep.
And if you told me something to make in the air fryer, thank you so much. I'm gonna try. But even if I burn the food, I'll burn the food. I'll let you guys see what I did.
Yep, like they burned onion ring. I tell the one. I tell first they go YouTube it. No, I don't want to YouTube it. I don't want to. Probably. One thing with me, I get something out the first day right now. I get a brand new phone right now. I'm on that phone from the time I get it till the next morning.
Not me.
I need to learn every feature of that phone.
I learn it as I go.
I need to learn everything. Y'all like that too when you get something new? Y'all gotta make sure y'all learn everything that day, that same day?
Nope.
Let me know, cause I know I'm not the only one that do that.
I'm pretty sure you're not.
Right?
But me? What? You need pepper?
20 minutes already, I'm not saying wisdom yet.
You lucky you can see the time on the camera, because me can't see that coming out of my glasses.
It's nighttime too. First lady can't see at night. Family. Pastor Rich in the building. Where we at with it today? Okay. Listen to this one. Firstly, listen. Standing alone is better than standing with people who hurt you. Family, I'm gonna say this again. Standing alone is better than standing with people who hurt you.
Very true.
What y'all think about that? Let me know. I got them for days, you feel me? Man, got them coming. Is it good? Everything
I was
is
hungry.
not too soft. It's just a decent crunch in it.
This is a very healthy meal.
It's healthy too. Yeah.
Because even with the rice, but if you're on a low carb diet,
Yeah.
which I am not, you just eat the fish with the pumpkin and you're not even. I forgot the crackers there because the crackers them are like I don't know carbs or something. Crackers.
I don't know if it's carbs or whatever you want to
I
type.
don't know, but
I name it all. This meat is so and they want me to fillet my fish. Yeah, boy. How much meat I get? Not fillet.
because the thing about it is that there's meat in every nook and cranny.
Every part.
Man.
Only rich people fillet fish. I'm rich. I need all my cash right here. You know how much bait this is we have to buy?
That's true.
Family, bait ain't cheap. So a lot of money for bait. Gas.
Time.
And then you want me to go fillet? I don't think so. Not fillet, no man. Not fillet. Right. Let me know how, as I said before, let me know how you prepare your steamers, man.
Are you gonna say?
Let me know how you prepare how you like it, what y'all do. You know?
Green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper.
With a Christmas light on it.
Everything just absorbed the sauce. And we have sauce left over. You can use that sauce.
And throw it in for gravy and the next food.
Yep.
We're gonna freeze that joint.
You can put it on another dish.
Another dish.
I wonder what you could use that for.
Try to eat it by itself.
Eat it by yourself. I wonder what you could use that for. It might pop up in another video because when Richie makes steamed fish, he make a lot of gravy because you know we love gravy and we always have some left over. I'm gonna figure out what to do with that, and then you guys will see it in another video. Trying to find more meat. Listen, I pick through my fish when it gets to the end. I don't want to swallow no bone.
That's true.
Because I'm not as good as Richie. I'm crying, going to the emergency room to have them take it out.
Family, I've been eating somewhere around from about 6 or 5. How long my daughter been eating fish by herself now?
Since she was like, probably like 8 years old.
Yeah, I've been eating somewhere around in Jamaica from like about 6 by myself. I love fish.
Remember when our daughter was young, like a baby, like 3, 4, and to me, I love swim around since she can start eating. The little girl loved fish, even to this day. Richie would buy up the food and feed it to her.
Not no more.
But feed it to her, and to me, it's be like, "Oh, get more, daddy, more." Now, to me, I'm like, "Ew, that's nasty."
Not again.
How they have grown up.
Yeah.
I'm full. I sure am. And no more meat here. I'm trying to find more meat.
Your president said he put that mean you have time to go.
Yo. In a way, he's right.
See? I've done right on time.
Because
We shared with y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady.
I say y'all move.
Bad man.
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another what? Burp? Mukbang.
Ready?
Bye.